Okay, so it's turned around. New rings, new pistons. Small reach, doesn't make a difference. Yeah, it's a nice 205 block. Okay. Yeah. So we've done the valve plugs. There's something hiding in there. Done the valve plugs. Nice. Okay, now we can move on. So yeah, we can do a little bit. Okay, but yeah. So I didn't show the motor before we started, but this is how far we got now. So the next step is I got the top back today from the engineering, so I'm waiting for it to dry out. Skimmed and the cam has been done. I think he said it's a 285, yeah, 285 degree. It's a bit aggressive, but yeah, we will get there. So I'm gonna look there. It's nicely skimmed. Okay, cool. So now a bit porting, a little bit of porting to be done. I'm not gonna do massive, basically just cleaning up, and then I need to put it together. And when that is done, oh, good clean spray, and then you can come back onto the top. Okay, nice, no?